I finished the test. Matte dice. If you use matte dice, any dice we can make, of course, for this system. It's a full portable system to put directly on your leg. This is a normal glass. Of course, you'll use glass, not leather. This is cup leather, but you use glass. Doesn't matter because it's clean. I put the dice inside, and when I put it in the center of this circle, then I can control to come small and big. Right now we make 4 small. 2, 1, you see? Again small. 2, 1. Again small. 2, 1. And now let's testing for big. So for big is the same. Only use the remote control. Big. 6, 5. Again big. 6, 5. Again big. 6, 5. And now give me please the transparent dice. Let me drop this dice. Okay, and now let's make it big. We test with the small. Okay. Now small. I want to show you that nothing is arranged directly. Small. Sorry. Small. 2. Again small. 1. Again small. 1. And now let's make it for big. The dice is very big, it's 16 millimeters, and it's very hard to use it in the cup. Big. Again big. 6, 5, 3. Again big. 4. Not good. Big. 5. Big. 5. It's very hard. This dice is too big. You don't use 16 millimeter. You use 10 millimeter, so it's working. And this is 8 millimeter dice.